Recently, one of my viewers reached out to me via email and she talked about how she would do anything, any exercise in this world to get back in shape, and her problem area was her lower body fat, which also included below the belly, her belly area, her hip fat, her thigh fat. So she obviously wanted to get back in shape because she was very desperate with the function and occasion coming up in her family. So I came up with this easy set of exercises which I followed too while I was losing weight. Yes, I was overweight too at one time, and I decided to be persistent, to consistently follow along these exercises, and definitely you can see the results. I will definitely be sharing these simple exercises with you in a bit, but first let me talk you through the benefits. They're so simple, they can be done by anyone. They're so beginner friendly. There's no equipment needed and they can be done any time of the day. And they are so effective. Trust me, if you get into these exercises, you're sure going to see results. Now, for all those who are suffering from lower body fat and want to get rid of the hip fat, thigh fat, want to get the belly back in shape, get a nice slim waist, these exercises are going to be a boon. So what are we waiting for? Let me show you those few simple moves which can definitely help you get back in shape. So let's begin with an easy set of warm-up. All you have to do is lift one leg, take it sideways like this, do it about 3 times. Then we're going to do the next leg. I hope you're doing it along with me, because that's what makes it all the more fun. The more the merrier. Nearly there. Don't give up just yet. Nearly there. Don't give up just yet. For the next exercise, you have to stand nice and tall with your spine absolutely straight. Put your hands on your waist. Spread your legs a little, and then you have to make a big circle like this with one leg. Make sure it's as big as you can make, and a slow and steady movement. There's no rush. Now let's do it with the next leg. The next move is equally simple. You just have to stand straight, your core tucked in, bring your knee as high as you can, and then kick. Just like this. First the right leg, and then with the left leg. Now let's do it with this leg. Next exercise, we're going to do toe touches, but with a twist while standing. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Keep your spine straight, your core tucked in. Lift your knee as high as you can.
Now let me teach you some squatting the right way to get that perfect thighs and legs and a hip shape. For that, you have to spread your legs slightly wider than your shoulder length. Breathe out when you go down. It's so easy. The only trick is that your knee should not extend your toe. It's like you're sitting in a chair. The perfect squat for the perfect body shape. You can also do it with the help of a chair. There you go. The next move is super easy, super simple and so much fun. It's a tiptoe and a high knee mixed together. Let's do it. You have to stand straight like this. Then you have to tiptoe to the count of 5, and on number 5 you have to lift your knee, do a high knee. Let me show it to you. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Well done. I could go on for hours with you all. That's how much fun I have, but I don't want to bore you. So if you want to play this video again, be my guest. Try and do these exercises as often as you can and you will start huffing, panting and sweating just like me. So if all of you watching this video have enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with all the people who would love this exercise too. Also, if you think losing weight is just a cakewalk, I'm sure you're mistaken. Try eating cake and losing weight, you will sure get to know. But what is a cakewalk is that you have to lose weight while eating food. You cannot starve, you cannot give up food, you cannot just skip meals like that. Otherwise, you will start having hair fall, bad skin, brittle nails, whatnot, and you will have so many vitamin deficiencies. So I do get a lot of queries, and I'd like to address the issue where a lot of women actually they come and ask me, what if I skip a meal? I did a cheat meal yesterday, what should I do? Well, I have many detox plans, and I do have a lot of customized diet plans which I have to offer, and not just me, along with me, my team, they're all willing to support you. All you have to do is click on the button below in the description, and you can contact me and you can get to know about the paid personalized programs which I'm providing, so that you can have a comprehensive health and follow my weight loss program. So if you enjoyed this video, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take